Your family, your home and your life are most valuable possessions, and you would do anything to ensure they are protected. Our new product gives you protection and dignity in the event of fire and death for your home and family. Lumkani comprehensive cover includes funeral and fire cover. We offer you 20,000 Rand family funeral cover and a Lumkani fire alarm to warn your family when there is a fire in your home. And cover up to 40,000 Rand against fire damage. For just 150 Rand per month on a flexible payment plan. Our family funeral cover will pay cash in the event of the death of a main member, spouse, and up to 5 children. There is no waiting period for accidental death and a 4 months waiting period for natural death. We ensure fast and simple claims and require no medical tests. Foreign nationals may also apply. And that's not all. For that 150 Rand, a Lumkani agent will install a fire alarm in your home that will last 8 years. This will protect your family and your home. You will receive SMSs when there is a fire in your home or neighborhood to warn you of the fire danger. And you will receive an immediate 500 Rand cash payout up to 40,000 Rand in the unfortunate event that you have a fire that affects your house or belongings to get you back on your feet within 5 working days. There is no waiting period for our fire cover as soon as you make your first payment. You can get more information or apply on WhatsApp on 082 741 2406 or call us on 087 057 5703 or speak to our friendly agent in your community. Remember, if you are a client and you refer friends or family, we will reward you with a free month of cover. Lumkani, safer together.